It's almost 5 p.m. on a Friday afternoon. People with a regular job can now let every stress of work go and have some days off. For me, the stress just got started. I just fixed one hell of a problem on one of our web shops because 1 hour ago I got the message from a big error. Visitors were not able to reach the whole page. The whole web shop on the front end was offline. There were no developers available, so I needed to fix it myself because a web shop cannot be offline for very long. That's a huge problem, of course. So I needed to fix it. After 1 hour of freaking out, giving up 100 times every single minute, everything I've tried didn't work. And I just fixed it, so I'm happy. I can finally breathe again. As you can see, I don't even wear a shirt because I was doing push-ups in between. I was freaking out, and sometimes I didn't know, so I gave up for 1 minute and then tried to focus again. But finally, it's fixed. But as an entrepreneur, you need to be there 24/7. Like, I can wake up in the middle of the night and need to solve something. You choose the path of sacrifice, of failure, of problems, of all of those bullshit. And for example, this day was not a very good day. It was supposed to be a very productive day, but instead of that, I just needed to fix a lot of problems and for this week as well. A few days ago, I had some trouble with a project, with a client, all of those trouble and all of those things that sometimes I'm like, what am I even doing? Why am I doing this? I'm putting 12 hours a day into a mission that sometimes is not even feeling that you're growing, you know? And don't get me wrong, I've made great steps. If I look back 4 years ago when I just got started, I've definitely made steps. But if I'm looking at the sacrifices that I've made, if I'm looking at the energy, the hours, the stress and whatever, everything I've put into this, it doesn't compare to the amount of money that I've gained or to the things that I've reached or whatever. Like, I'm putting so many hours, so many stress, so many sacrifices into this, but still every day I wake up and choose to do this. Why is that? Like, if you look at every single story of a great entrepreneur who have reached great success in their life, they have made more failures than successes. They have learned so many things from the failures that they've made in the past that they now can tell and can share their successes. And you, or sometimes even me, are looking at all of those great entrepreneurs, looking on the Instagram or whatever with their Lamborghinis and with their successes, and you're like sitting on your desk at home like, why is this happening to me and why can't I have those luck and whatever? But just remember that you're on the right path, you know? You just need to keep on this path, keep solving all of those problems, keep doing all of those crazy, stupid stuff which doesn't even make sense sometimes, but that's the way to success. Imagine playing a game where you can level by just pressing on a button, or where you can just earn your money by pressing on a button. Would it be challenging? Would it be nice? You can not even learn anything in that path. Like, the challenge is there to learn. So you just need to grow by making all of those failures and all those bad moments. And a few weeks ago, I realized that this is the path. Like, I've created certain videos on my channel where I talk about the journey that I'm beginning on, and I want to share the good part, but also the bad part, you know? For example, today was a very bad day, but tomorrow I will wake up and do the same shit, you know? And I hope by sharing this that I can give you the insight to be and stay on this path. But just for me as well, I hope within 5 or 10 years, I can look back in this video and review on it and see like the difference that it made, you know? Just was a quick video to share what I'm going through on a daily basis as well. Besides the good things you're seeing, it's hard, and on a daily basis we're just solving problems and doing crazy stuff to have some little wins in between sometimes. But I know what I'm doing it for, and in a few years we will see that all of this made sense. So for now, this was just a video. It was a quick insight that I would love to share on the channel. So I will see you in the next video.